Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order a Revolut physical card. If you like to use a Revolut account for in-store purchases or ATM withdrawals, you can order a physical debit card directly from the Revolut app. So firstly, open the Revolut app, go to the home screen on the bottom menu, tap the card icon in the top right corner, and tap Add New. Choose the account you wish to order a card for and tap Physical Card. And you need to swipe between the card to choose the card type and design and follow the prompts to complete your order. You can choose to remove the number from a card for selected designs, and this provides an extra layer of security if your card is lost or compromised. As your card number, expiry date, and CVV will only be visible in the app, and each card type has a fixed card brand, Visa or MasterCard, which cannot be changed. And that is it. This is how you can order a Revolut physical card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.